Bullet points aren't broken. OpenOffice isn't glitching. You're just missing one step. A lot of people think the bullet button doesn't work. They click it and nothing happens. That happens when your cursor isn't placed correctly, or when no text is selected. The button needs a target. First, click where you want the list to start, or highlight the text you want turned into bullets. Now click the bulleted list icon on the toolbar. One click. That's all it takes. Press Enter and a new bullet appears. That's how you know it's working correctly. To stop the list, press Enter twice, or click the bullet icon again to turn it off. So no, bullet points aren't broken. You don't need menus, you don't need symbols, you just needed the right step first. For more simple OpenOffice fixes, check out the resources below. Like and subscribe for more quick Mythbusters.